Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, and for today's video is another project pan, which is the hashtags partners in cream. I believe this is created by some of the YouTubers, and let me see because I'm not familiar on this creation or creators of this project pans. Her name is Pen no matter what on Instagram, so I'm going to link it down below, her Instagram, which is Darlene, and I don't know the other one because every time I check her Instagram I don't see her Instagram, which is odd. Without any further ado, I'm going to show you guys the products that I'm going to put in this project pan, which is the partners in cream. So first I'm going to show you guys these two. These are from Profusion Cosmetics. These are like waterproof shadow sticks. These ones are from their holiday kit, which are like $5 each, and I bought this at Walmart. They have the liquid version of this ones, but I decluttered those because I'm not really into those kind of bling bling liquid eyeshadows. Next ones are these two kind of light products. I have this Colourpop Cheek Dew Serum Blush, and then this is in the shade of Cosmo, and this is the initial of how I where is the product itself before I used it. And then for this one, as you guys can see, it separates, but the smell is still the same. It's just I think the formula of this one, it is not really went to perfection, but the shade of it, I like it. I put this one like I put this one before I put foundation or powder, I think, and then it goes out, so I put it here. And then as you guys can see, it looks more of natural one because I put a little bit of powder blush, but it's not too harsh, which is nice. This one, if you guys are not into natural makeup look or no makeup look kind of vibe, this one is not for you, because these ones are kind of hard to maintain on your face because sometimes they fade out a lot. But I like using this one because of I don't really use hard makeup at all whenever I'm in the house, or I don't do makeup videos here, and then I use them a lot. And then the next one is this e.l.f. Cosmetics Ride or Die Lip Balm Tough Cookie. I don't see a lot of people use this one. I think it's because of the formula. It is hard to take it off on the tube. As you guys can see, it's kind of hard. This one is today it's like kind of more of a smooth coming out in the tube, but usually it is really hard to take it off. This one is really moisturized. It looks like thick, but it's not, and I like it whenever I put this one downstairs because so that I can put it whenever I wanted to put lip balm or lip product on my lips. So I'm going to shade it a little bit for you guys. And then this one is on my lips right now with the other lip products that are on my color pan project pan. These ones are Colourpop. So I put the lip balm first, and then the next one is the orange one, and then lastly is the Friends. These ones are like kind of perfect combination for me right now, which is I like more of a not too bold but too moisturized right now. So let's go back to this project pan. So the next two are from Shop Miss A. These are their cream AOA Studio Hush blush and highlighter. So I have the cream sheer blush in the shade of Merlot, and then here it is. So I'm going to swatch it here. It is very beautiful one. And then the dewy cream highlighter in the shade of Silk. I hit pan on this one last year because I did put this one on my hashtag 123 panning, and which is a project pan that I do on my Instagram account. And then I like this one. I put this one right before I put foundation, and then or I put this one after foundation and concealer, and then after that I put a powder highlighter, which is really good. I'm going to show you guys the picture right here that I did that one. And then the swatches is here. It is very smooth kind of highlighter. That's why I hit pan so bad, not so bad, so fast, I mean, on this product. And then for this ones, my goal in this one is try to finish as much as I can this year. And then for the blush, I wanted to at least hit pan. And then for this eyeshadow sticks, my goal is for this eyeshadow sticks, my goals are like finish them up because they're not that really like, they can't even twist them out. We'll see how they are inside after I like finish them, like kind of to the point where they are on this container. And then for this lip balm, finish it up as much as I can because I like it, and I use a lip balm all the time. And then sometimes I use 2 to 3 times a day to apply it. And then for this one, like use it up as much as I can because like I said, the first initial is right here. So for this one, it is a liquid, more on a can use it up a lot because I use it every day. So we'll see for on the next update. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this a thumbs up and see you on my next video. Bye.